Welcome to Brain Tech channel for technical learning and practical solutions. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, you'll find easy to follow tutorials, real-world projects, and expert guidance to boost your skills and solve problems with confidence.
Welcome to Star Delta Starter technical video. A Star Delta starter is used to start a three-phase induction motor smoothly and reduce the high starting current. It works by starting the motor in a star, Y, configuration and then switching to a delta configuration after a few seconds. Why Star Delta is used? To reduce inrush current, starting current is about 1/3 in star connection. To protect the motor from mechanical stress and electrical surges. Economical and widely used for motors 5 HP, 3.7 kilowatts. Working principle. Start in star mode. The motor windings are connected in star. Line voltage is equal to 3 times phase voltage, so the current is lower. Motor runs with reduced torque and current. Run in delta mode. After a delay by using a timer, the winding configuration changes to delta. Now, each winding gets full line voltage, full power, full torque, and normal running condition. Typical components in a Star Delta starter. 3 contactors. CM3 main contactor connects motor to supply. CM1 star contactor connects windings in star. CM2 delta contactor connects windings in delta. Overload relay OLR protects motor from overcurrent. Timer controls switching time between star and delta, usually 5 to 10 seconds. Sequence of operation. When start push button pressed, CM3 and CM1 contactor will energized, so motor will run in star connection, then the timer elapsed, CM1 contactor will be energized and CM2 contactor will energized, so the motor will run in delta connection. Advantages of Star Delta starter is: reduces starting current, simple, reliable, and low cost, extends motor life.
Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe.